Alright, language explorers, let's look at this Sunday's preposition. So, before, oops, change that, yeah, before. The thing that was first. The thing that came before. I was here before in 2001. We were here before when things were different. Yeah, how cool is that? I read before I started writing, so I planned out this lesson before I started to record. Yeah, I had a lot of writing and planning to do before I even started to record. Yeah, how cool is that? They were here before they left. Yeah, I was here before them. He was there before it happened. She knew what to do before I did. She knew what to do before I did. How's that possible? How cool is that? Yeah. They last went there before anything, before spring. Yeah. It worked before she touched it. It worked before she touched it. Yeah. And look here. It is just before midnight. Yeah, midnight. Or it is a little bit before midday. Yeah, midnight, midday. Yeah. How cool is that? So he came here before he left. She said that before she went. She said it before she went. I'm talking before I leave. Yeah, so I will teach you English before, or teach you more English before you finish watching this video. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. He needs to do this before he can leave. He has to do that. He has to do that before he is allowed to leave. Yeah. Yeah. Before. I have been to Mexico before this. I've been here before. I have been there before. Have you? Have you? I've been to Mexico before. Have you? How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, how cool is that? So before, yeah. The thing that was first. Before this lesson, I was recording another lesson. Recording another lesson. How cool is that? Yeah. So, can you use before in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram when you search for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.